Are you ready for a maintenance-free life on the lake? Welcome home to Pine Cove Condos, located on the beautiful Hamilton Lake. Enjoy some of the best views of the water and 100 feet of lakefront with an association beach and fire pit that are perfect for entertaining friends and family. With 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, this condo is ready for you to move right in and enjoy all the amenities of a lake. This condo comes with a designated dock slip, a space for a personal watercraft, and additionally there's 1 carport space and 1 space for parking. Inside this gorgeous home, you'll find tons of natural light and picturesque lake views. The living room in particular provides a beautiful view of the water through patio doors that lead out to the deck. You can enjoy the amazing scenery of the lake through every season and won't move from the deck all summer long, except to take a dip in the lake. The eat-in kitchen is furnished with stunning cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and tile backsplash. Eat your breakfast and sip your coffee with a wonderful waterfront view. The bedrooms are each great in size with walk-in closets and provide you with all the comforts of home of your new residence at the lake. Don't wait. Contact Jamie Merritt to find out how to make this your home sweet home.